prepared for times like these. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. Got a couple things to tell you. Yeah, Big W made me that. This link's down below. Alright, so we keep a good supply of stuff. You know, be prepared. Be prepared. People are freaking out. Did we have to run to the store and get anything? No. Can we survive easily over the next 30 days or longer here at the house without going to the store? Yes. You know, we got plenty of food. We got plenty of Uncle Steve shake. We got plenty of vegetables, canned goods, beans, toilet paper, LP, a trailer loaded, ready to go if we have to even move into that. That's right. I might show you a couple pictures. So, Gigi said, oh, I'm going to make some of my world famous beans. I need some yellow onions. I said, okay, I'll just run up there and get some. Oh my gosh. I mean, I hadn't been to the store in a week, but all the toilet paper was gone. All the paper goods were gone. Paper towels. All the milk was gone. All the eggs had gone. The line was from the front of the store where the cash registers were to the back and to an angle. Yeah, I saw people there filming, talking like they're going to put it on their YouTubes and Facebooks and stuff like that. But that is crazy. That's crazy. But I'm over in the vegetables, and they're pretty much cleaned out too. I was really surprised about that, but I was just looking down the aisles, and I just see cleared out spots. Pasta was gone. Frozen pizza was gone. Cleared out. I had to run back to the store today to get something. Just one little thing. Didn't even have to have it if I didn't find it. Same thing at that store. But half the time I really went because I wanted to see what it was like. It's crazy, y'all. That's right. But anyway, leave some comments down below, or if you want to say anything about it, what you're doing about it. But my whole point is, you be prepared ahead of time. Not when all of a sudden, boom, like around here in Texas. Guess right, I live in Texas. Down here in Texas, boy, right before a freeze, or they say there's going to be tons of ice, snow, whatever, boom. It's like this. It gets cleared out. Even the water, all the water's gone. You can't get no water. The bad thing is, on some of this food, people overdid it. You know, they're preparing for it and stuff, but what's going to happen is a lot of that's going to spoil, and then they're going to throw it away. Somebody else could have had that. I appreciate limits for the people that did not prepare ahead of time. You know, always learn a lesson from it. Prepare a 30-day supply at the house, at least, if not longer. A lot of people do it longer than that. We could probably go a couple months easily. On everything, even toilet paper. That's right. We have 3 bathrooms in the house, each one of them stocked good, and the camping trailer stocked good. That's right. My corn ain't grown yet, so I can't use the cods, but eventually I could. I might need to start saving those. Yeah, you know what people are going to start doing if you're still here? They're going to start stealing the toilet paper from public places, restaurants. And then restaurants aren't going to be able to get any more toilet paper. And somebody's going to walk in there with like, oh man, I need to go to the bathroom. They're going to walk in there and ain't going to be none. Ooh. And they'll start using up all the napkins and clogging up the toilets and stuff. And then that'll run out. So what do? So if you're going out to the stores and stuff, or these restaurants and everything else like that, you might want to take you some wipes or something with you that you can take care of yourself, if you know what I'm saying. I mean this at a learning stage. Be prepared. Just like in the wintertime, keep a blanket in your truck. Keep your one-piece suits in the truck. Keep some water in your truck. This is a good lesson for people. Let's move on to the stock market. Yeah, Papa lost $120,000 in the stock market, but I'm okay. It's gonna come back. What did I do? I bought more already. I'm more into it, and when it comes back and refreshes, hopefully I'm sitting in a better picture, and I just didn't want to take that loss. So I just hung in there. I'm okay. We'll see how that goes. Been through those a few times. I didn't panic. It just quickly went down. And I didn't want to pull and go to cash. I'm gonna get that swing back up, if you know what I mean. Pay attention to all that kind of stuff. There's probably tons more I can be saying, but this is just way too long. But y'all, my whole thing, be prepared. All right, be prepared for things like this, and you don't have to freak out, run to the store, stay in these lines that are over an hour to get through so that you can get your stuff home, and then a lot of it's gonna waste. All right? Oh, and people say, hey, have one of those guys, I forget all those names of those company, pick up your food and deliver it to you instead of you going to that restaurant. Have you ever thought about this? You gotta deal with that guy. He's holding your food. What if he has it? Oh. Ain't nothing wrong with eating at home, cooking outside. You like to cook outside, so does Papa. You like how-tos? Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell. Oops. And you'll be notified when I put another video out. My mama says I'm entertaining. Yeah. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya. Y'all take care, be careful. And hit that bell.